Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to report your Cash App card as lost. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have maybe misplaced their Cash App card. Maybe you've lost it somewhere while you were using it. How do you actually go ahead and report it as lost? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, let's first hop onto Cash App. Once you're on Cash App, on the bottom left hand corner, you want to click on the rectangle icon. And then from here, the first thing that you want to do is click on Lock Card. So make sure that you lock your card first so that no one else can use it. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and click on Get Card Support. And then from this page here, you want to click on Report Card Issue and then click on Card Missing, Card Stolen, or Compromised. So go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts from here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and report your Cash App card as lost. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.